Okay, so the next part which we are going to design is the jaw screw. So go to part design, name it jaw screw. Okay, we're gonna start with the YZ plane. Go to sketch, and then let's sketch something which looks like this. I'm gonna just make it a bit faster so you don't get bored when I'm drawing this. So the profile looks something like this. Once your sketch is complete, you can use auto constraints so that you'll get the dimension of all the selected lines or sketch individual parts. So, and then we are going to just define by our dimensions, so just follow through, it's very easy. This we can give 10, the other one 24, this one is 9. Okay, if you get confused, just undo that and make it this 4. This one should be deleted, and you can also define your you can also constrain it individually without using the auto constraints. So either way you're going to get the same thing. It's just a matter of what function or what option you are using. I find the auto constraint pretty useful. So you can see it's almost done. We give the final dimension for this one, and good to go. To that, exit the workbench, then go for shaft definition, and we get the part. Now we need to do one more thing, is we need to make few holes. So go to YZ plane, sketch again, select circle, and draw it on the horizontal axis. Give it a dimension of 6 dia. Also, you can constrain it with this edge, so it's 10. Or you can do is exit the workbench, go for pocket. You can do either through all or dimension and then both sides, so you'll get the pocket. So I think the part is done. We're gonna save it and then we'll move on to the next part. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you comment down below if you have any doubts. Thank you so much and peace.